Good morning, guys. You do not have a Zoom with me today. Like I told you all, I have a doctor's appointment this morning. So I'm uploading this video to kind of explain what you're going to do today. On your 10/16 agenda, which is today, and it tells you that there's no class and to watch this video first, and then you're going to start your chapter 9 section 2 notes. This is the textbook link right here. It should pop up into a new browser for you. Section 2, it says this on the top of the notes, but just so you hear me now, is pages 317 to 326. Guys, if you're ever struggling and the link dies on you, I don't know why this happens sometimes. Like for some reason, even though I just added it this morning, it'll say that it doesn't work. So I always just Google the chapter we're in. So we're in chapter 9. And then Journey Across Time, that's the name of the textbook. And then this link will pop up. Always click the Boone County Schools one. So if for some reason that link dies today between now and it's 7 o'clock now and 9 o'clock, you can always just Google it. You are going to start your section 2 notes. We did this in our other class yesterday, so it's not busy work just because I'm out or anything. This is something that all of my classes are doing, even if I was in class. So click the link, then you're going to click My Document, and then as always, please do file, make a copy. I'm going to put my last name in the front and then your class period, and then your copy is going to pop up. I have a few things to explain on these notes. So the main idea at the top, you don't have to do anything with that. That kind of is just like your purpose for reading. So if you want to read over them, it kind of gets your head in the direction. A lot of you have already read chapter 9, section 2. It was Wednesday's kind of checklist last Wednesday, but I know some of you maybe didn't get to it. So make sure you read it. So these charts, there's 2 charts in these notes. And typically I print these notes off and we do them in class and you just write in the charts. And so I tried until I was blue in the face to put text boxes in these charts and it wouldn't let me. I think it's because when we got these charts, we literally took a picture of the textbook and moved it to the document. So it doesn't let you type over it because it's an actual picture itself. So what I did was just put, so for this question, it says, use the chart below to summarize the reforms made by Diocletian and Constantine. So I put Diocletian's reforms on the left and then Constantine's reforms on the right under. And you can just list those reforms under their names. So don't worry about trying to get it in the chart. It's not a big deal. Excuse me. Terms to know, that's pretty simple. Remember, our text feature in our book is that they're typically highlighted and bolded. It says include a drawing for each term. Do not worry about that. I typically give extra credit for that in class because like I said, I print these off when we're in the physical classroom, but don't worry about that. People to know, you have a few people that you need to explain why they're important. You have one place under places to locate, that is Constantinople. Then you have scanning, you have 3 questions here. Then you have another chart titled The Legacy of Rome. Make sure you guys are mindful of the requirements of each question. So this one says for each component to give 3 bullet points. And like the other chart, you can't write in it. So I put those titles underneath the chart. So you can just make a bulleted list under those. Then you have a sum it up section that is 3 questions. And then your last section is section wrap up, and be mindful of these. It says at least 5 bullet points for each of these questions because these are kind of loaded questions. The goal for you today would be to get halfway through these notes. You don't have to finish them because we're going to kind of do like a jigsaw with them when do I see you guys in class? On Tuesday in class. So I would be happy if you got through terms to know, people to know, and scanning. That would be a good start for you all today. If you have any questions, I will have my phone on me to email you back for sure. I will be back for 8th hour in AL. So if you're in my AL and you want to wait to ask me in AL anything, I will be there. But yeah, like I said, I've got a doctor's appointment, and subs are not really something I guess we're doing right now because they're hard to find. So I hope that this video is helpful, and we will review together on all this stuff on Tuesday. Have a good weekend if I don't see you in AL.